Okay, welcome back to this video. So last time we made the lives a thing, we're keeping track of them, and every time we hit a bat, it's going down. But what we got right now is an infinite game that never stops. So at some point, we want to broadcast this game over message. But when would be a good time to do that? It used to be we said anytime you touch a bat, the game's over. But now we've got lives going on. We want the game to end when you're out of lives, right? So that's all about this lives variable that we've got. We've already handled all the changing of it. We've handled changing it when you hit, setting it. What we need to do now is ask a question about it. So to end the game, there are lots of places we could do this. We could do it here in this forever loop. We could do a couple different ways. I think let's just do it in a separate thing. So pause me if you need to catch up. What I'm going to say is in my events, I'm going to put another when the green flag is clicked. So you got two different things going on when the game starts. And basically, we could do an if statement down here in the forever loop, but what I'm going to say is let's do this wait until. I'm going to say when the game starts, wait until something happens, and then the game is over. Let people know the game is over, right? So basically, this guy's job is just to wait until something happens. Now, here's what's weird. We're going to fill in this business here, which normally we've been doing with this key pressed and touching bat, like see that little shape with the sensing business. What we're going to do now is something we've never done. We're going to hop over into this operators, and basically operators lets you do math, right? So I mean that's just what you were hoping to do today, math in your computer program. Like it couldn't get any better. But basically, I could add, subtract, multiply, divide, check if something is less than, greater than, equal to, blah, blah, and an or. I can do all sorts of stuff. But here's the thing. I'm waiting until we run out of lives. So what I want is I would grab this guy right here. I'm going to wait until something equals something. What I want to wait until is until my lives equal 0. Now to get your lives, that's a little weird. You're going to have to go over to your data. Once you click on data, pause me if you need to catch up. You're going to grab lives, and it doesn't look like it's going to fit because it looks like a round block in a square hole, but perfect. Wait until your lives equal, and then right here I'm just going to type 0. So that makes sense. When the game starts, you wait until your lives equal 0, and then the game's over. So the lives become 3, they go down, eventually they become 0. So let's give this a run and see if the game will work appropriately. Now I'm down to 2 lives, right? And so I can dodge this, but really I want to hit it. Now I'm down to 1 life, and you also get a free pass when the bat hits you, but you're still blinking, so don't worry about that. And boom, I was down to 0. When my lives became 0, the game was over. Everything was happy. So look how easy it is. So you get this accomplished with a variable. I'm down to 1 life. I'm down to 0 lives. It's awesome. So make sure your game works just like that. It's going to be beautiful. When you come back, we're going to make this life meter work that's just going to sit there and not do anything. So in the next video, we're going to pretty this up, and it's going to be gorgeous.